Jackson with Worldwide RV. Thank you for tuning in for episode 2 of Jayco for You. Moving up a size from the 174 BH to the 212 QBW. From the top, Jayco's industry-leading Magnum Truss roofing is rated to hold up to 4,500 pounds. Here at Worldwide, we want you to have the ideal camping experience, so we order upgrades on most of our inventory like solar panels and upgraded ACs. But I'm under Jayco's incredibly over-engineered roof. You'll find amenities such as walk-around bed, a full bathroom, solar controller, a well-appointed kitchen, and that Amish-built cabinetry we all know and love. As well as sleeping options as this couch, even the dinette. And just like that, it's a bed. Here we can see Jayco's custom-built chassis and the sealed underbelly. Forget the Dexter axles. New for 2023, Lippert's rock-solid stabilizer jacks. All this under Jayco's industry-leading 2+3 year warranty. For checking out Jayco for You, I'm Jackson, and next week make sure to tune in where we check out the biggest Jay Flight on the lot.